was ironic! Come on!
Suicide Squad.
Suicide Squad. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Mm. Yo, wait, Pink. Let me set up my setting, bro. Man, this guy. So what if he gay? You're still gonna fuck his bitch? Like, I'm just saying, like, damn. That's why they say, watch your mouth, boy. That's why they say, watch your mouth, boy. Man, you're older than me, bro. I'm 26. What about you, 42? Goofy ass, old ass motherfucker. Yo, hold up, CEO motherfucker. Pinky, drop that shit. Drop that CEO and fight me, Pinky. Man, don't pull up that shit. Come on now. That's you talking shit, Mizzle? Shut the fuck up and die, bro. Shut the fuck up and die, little bitch. Why are you shooting at me, bro? I ain't trying to shoot. Kanan, bro, or Shellu. What the fuck? Die. 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 Man, I'm smacking both of them right now, bro. Die. Die. Yo, you still wanna fuck with me talking shit? Yo, yo, Lil Uzi, why you run, bro? Oh my god, he finally got me. Man, you ain't gonna get shit. How the fuck you smell his breath, bro? You're a omnivore creature, alien looking ass motherfucker. This is how we talk. Shut your bitch ass up, goofy nigga. Trying to be a sidekick or something, bro. You can hear it by his fucking voice. Shut your bitch ass up. Yeah, he talking like a motherfucker, like C plus or something, bro. Oh my god, now we making shit up. I'm just saying, you're making shit up about some person, like a. No, that's I don't know him, bro. I'm just saying how you talk. You talk like a stupid, goofy motherfucker, bro. I don't give a fuck about both of you motherfuckers, man. Die, motherfucker. Die. Oh, man, take that L. I'm up on your ass. Man, suck my dick. Man, shut your goofy ass up, motherfucker. Die, motherfucker. Die! I ain't dying, bro. Who you kill? Oh, your name is Markwell? Okay, I'm coming for you, bro. Alright, I'm coming to you, bro. Hey, stop shooting at me, bro. Hold that L, bro. This guy don't want me to live him, bro. You still want to fight me? I smacked the fuck out of him, bro. Why you keep shooting at me, bro? I don't want to fight you, bro. Alright, I'm coast on your ass. You're not gonna shoot me no more. Yeah, I'm coming for you, Mark Will. Man, man, pay attention there, motherfucker. Man, only homo complain, so you must be a homo boy. Man, you come to my dick and suck my dick, little boy. Yeah, oh my god, bro. Oh shit. Taking missile, you doing a CEO and still smacking your ass. I don't need that pool shark to fight you, little boy. Who's running from you, bro? Come and find me, bro. I will stab you in the back, bro. I'm right here at the beach, bro. I ain't all afraid or stupid. Oh my god, bro. I ain't, I ain't afraid or Koofy. Damn right, that's what the fuck I say, Koofy. I say I ain't afraid or Koofy. You can see me, motherfucker. You what? You only got one highball or something, little boy? Oh, now he claimed to be an English guy. He claimed to be an English guy now, bro. Oh my god, he claimed this shit right now. Yo, man, I know what kind of shit you are, bro. Now he claiming that he pretty now. What the? Man, I'm sorry, but you're in the wrong direction, my buddy. You gotta turn around. No, he's about to get smacked. Oh my goodness. Only bum ass say bum ass. Do you know that? First of first of all, do you know that the palm only say bum? I don't know how you talk. I don't know how we're gonna do that because we're in a game, bro. I'm just holding a controller and hearing a mic, bro. Man, I think you're using cocaine, bro, and you need to chill the fuck out and suck a dick so you don't die or something, bro. What about you shut your bum ass up? How about that? How about you shut your dumb ass up? How about that, bro? Yeah, you just dead. Shut up. You keep dying. Like, damn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what she say, bro. That's what she say, bro. I say that's what she say. No, how about you shut your dumb ass up? How about you shut your dumb ass up, bro? How about you shut your dumb ass up, little boy? How about that? How about that, little bitch? So you're claiming you're a English guy, huh? Shut your dumb ass up, boy. Yo, shut your goofy ass up, Barkwell. What, you suck 20, you suck 22 dick? That's why you have 22 on your name, boy? Oh, sorry, I using my brain, but I thought wrong. What? Man, you lame. How about you lame as shit, bro? How about you lame like a motherfucker? Oh my god. Now you try to run like you talking shit to me and you try to run. Are you gonna get run over, motherfucker? Like you ain't shit. Fuck yeah, you gonna be. Oh, he got. Oh, you're not killing me, bro. You're not the one who killed me. The cop killed me, bro. Yo, I'm here, bro. Pull up, bro. I'm here, bro. You see me, motherfucker? What's up? Talking all that shit, motherfucker. I swear to God, I'm here, motherfucker, bro. What's up? What's poppin', motherfucker? Yo, what's up, bro? Pull up, motherfucker. What's up? Motherfucker, die real quick, bro. Oh my god, you fly, bro. Man, you a dead meat, bro. You a dead motherfucker. You spin like shit, motherfucker. Die. Die like a goofy motherfucker, just like you. Die, motherfucker. You ain't gonna get shit, boy. You ain't gonna get shit, boy. Fuck yeah, I shoot at you at everything I got, motherfucker. Like I'm trying to kill you, like kill you, motherfucker. I ain't scared, motherfucker. Die! Oh my god, bro. All that talk, bro. Oh my god, bro. Hold that L. Not even a kill. You not even have a kill, bro. You make me feel like I'm ashamed, man. I gotta go, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm working for you. Run, motherfucker. Man, you a newbie, bro. You a newbie, bro. Mm. Yo, you shouldn't be talking shit in this game. You're gonna get smacked. I'm running straight to you. You see that shit, bro? Shut up and come to me, motherfucker. Well, you better be blind. Cause I'm coming straight at your ass and I'ma shoot the fuck out of your motherfucking ass. I see you looking at me, goofy motherfucker, lying ass motherfucker. I ain't seeing you. You look right exactly where the fuck I'm at. Try to snipe. Oh, that's your first kill, bro. That's 1-3, bro. Yo, that's one, bro. Oh my god. Who's hiding, bro? Oh, you kill yourself, bro. You just kill yourself, bro. Oh my god, bro. Terrible's cold. Who's hiding, bro? Who's hiding, bro? Who's hiding? Yo, who the fuck hiding, bro? There's nobody fucking hide, bro. Tripping, bro. Like, what's going on right now? Like, why you standing like that, fool? Oh, yo, I don't give a I'm leading your ass, bro. You owed that L and try to figure it out how to beat it. Yeah, I'm coming straight, little bitch. What? Yo, you owed that L, boy. Nigga, I do whatever the fuck I do, nigga. I ain't gonna. Man, fuck you. You hold that L, little bitch. You hold that L, little bitch. Man, try to beat my score, bro. Try to beat my score, bro. You will never beat my score, bro. Alright, motherfucker. You're about to be dead. Now you kill yourself, Koofy. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, he killed himself, bro. That's another kill, bro. That's another. Hey, I'm up on your ass, little boy. What you talking about, motherfucker? I'm up on your ass, little boy. I don't give a fuck how it is, but I'm up on your ass, little boy. You ain't, bro. You not finished it yet. You ain't finishing it yet, boy. Now I'ma blow it out, bro. Watch. We're going straight to 100, little boy. Fuck you and your RPG, bro. Pull up, nigga. We're going straight, bro. Pull up, motherfucker. Hold out, L. Who the fuck say you're leading, bro? You ain't leading, motherfucker. Wake your ass up, little boy. Man, you running, bitch. You're hiding in a corner now, bitch. You running, bitch. You running. I swear to God, you talk and run at the same time, bro. Fuck you. You talk and run, bro. Oh my God, bro. You talk shit and run. Pull up, motherfucker. I'ma explode your head. Fuck you, dead, motherfucker. Die. You just killed me on a rocket, bitch. Alright, hold that L, bitch. Oat that L. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oat that L. Do it then. Do it, boy. Do it. Do it. Why you run? You don't do it. You run, little boy. You run. Oh, bro, why you kill yourself, bro? Oh, that L, little bitch. Oh, that L, little bitch. I ain't working for you, Goofy. You want it, come straight at me, little boy. You want it, come, little boy. Come, little boy. Oh, my God. I tell you already, I ain't working for you, Goofy. You want it, you gonna get it. Take that motherfucking L, motherfucker. I'm going wherever I want it, little bitch. Who give a fuck? Oat that L, boy. Oat that L, little bitch. You see me, I'm right here. Motherfucker, bro. He dead, bro. He dead. Oh my God, he dead, bro. Come on, pull up, Kofi. Pull up, Kofi. Pull up. Pull up, Kofi. Yo, are you gonna hold that L till you leave or something, bro? Cause I ain't leaving, bro. Who up on you on one? Who up on one on you? Say it, cause everybody didn't hear that. Who up on you, sir? Who up on you, sir? Yo, you want me to blow it out again? He stopped by. He start shooting, bro. He start shooting. Run, motherfucker. You run. Fuck you. You run to the corner, bro. Yo, bro. Pull up, motherfucker. What's up? Pull up. Why you go back? Why you go back, bro? I swear to God. You see me right here, bro. Why you didn't spam the missile that you say you spamming, bro? Oh my God. Yeah, spam that shit, bro. Come on, bro. Alright, I like it. Spam it, please. Cause I'm ready to die on a spam. Oh, that L, boy. Oh, that L, boy. Oh my God, Marguel, you a bitch. I'll make you my bitch. I use everything I got because I want to kill you, like kill, kill, kill. You know what I'm saying? Like I want you to be dead, like dead, dead. Hey, I'm up on you. You come here, boy. What you talking about, bro? I'm up on you. You come here, bro. You come here, bro. What you mean I'm up on you, bro? I make you my bitch. That's what it been now, bro. I make you my bitch. That's what it been, little boy. I make you my bitch. I make you my bitch. Oh my god. Try stop me. If you don't want it, try stop me then. Oh my god. Oh, that how much I'm up on you now? Come on, say it, bro. Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone and you better take that L and peacefully, okay? Take that L peacefully. That's how a professional blade newbie. Marco, can you hit me up? Damn, I thought it was good.